Today in this video, we will learn how to program these ESP-01 modules using this ESP-01 USB module. So let's begin the video. In order to program these kinds of ESP-01 modules, using these kinds of USB modules, we need to follow certain steps. Basically, when we buy these kinds of USB modules, we don't get any kinds of reset switches or any kinds of switches which will make this ESP-01 into or put this ESP-01 module into the programming mode. So we have to manually do it. So to do that, we are using this process. So let's get into that process. So you can see here, I have this USB module and I have soldered 3 wires, and this yellow wire, the first pin, which is the first pin of the USB module, I have soldered a yellow wire. So it's basically ground pin. As you can see here, this is ground, and here 1 2 3, here the third pin from first pin, here it's third pin, it's GPIO 0 pin. So I have soldered a gray wire, and above it you can see here, here I have soldered a white color wire. It's a reset wire, so it has been soldered to the reset pin. So I will provide the pinouts of the module in the video description, where you can check it out. To put your ESP-01 module into programming mode, you have to just connect this ESP-01 into the header pin of the USB module completely like this. After that, you have to just shorten the wires. Number 1, the ground wire, as you can see here, and the second one, GPIO 0 wire. So after shorting it, you have to immediately plug the USB into your system and just disconnect this. So after doing this process, your ESP-01 module will be, you can say, it will work in a programming mode. As soon as you shorten these pins and connect your USB into the system and just disconnect these wires, means basically you are doing the job of a push button switch with your hands, or you can just, as I told you, you can just use these kinds of push button switches instead. And as soon as you do these steps, your ESP-01 module will be in a programming mode. And here I have also soldered a reset wire, which I am using for resetting these ESP-01 modules. After connecting and uploading the program, when I have to reset the module, I will just touch this ground and the reset wires together, and the ESP-01 module will be reset. Here is the module with the ESP-01 connected, and I have manually shorted the wires GPIO 0 and the ground with my hands, and now I am connecting this into my system, and immediately after connecting this, I am going to leave the connections. So now my ESP has been entered into the programming mode. Now I have to just manually compile and upload the program as we do normally. So I am here clicking just upload, and the code will be uploaded soon. So as you can see, the program has been successfully uploaded into the ESP-01. Now let's check the serial monitor.